Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add a phone number to your Shein app account. Let's get started. Open the Shein application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Shein application in the home station at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which says Me, and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner, look for the setting option in the form of a gear and click on it. By clicking on the settings option on the new page, a drop-down menu will open where you will find the option Manage My Account and click on it. Then, on the new page, look for phone number in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open the next page where you can see two fields, in one of which you enter your phone number, and in the other you enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone number. Once you enter the verification code, your phone number will be added to your Shein account. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you can easily add a phone number to your Shein app account. This helps keep your account secure and ensures you don't miss any important updates. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.